I love being in Somatica. I feel really at home here in a beautiful way, but I feel welcome and accepted just the way I am. I'm also finding my edges. And when I find my edges relationally and what I'm wanting to grow in my life, there's support and total permission to be a mess and so much affirmation for me in the work I'm doing and the work I've already done. It's this feeling of like, oh, I'm not alone. There's nothing wrong with me. Laughed more than I've laughed in a long time and cried more than I've cried in a long time. I appreciate the focus on and valuation of pleasure. Also, I'm seeing how it's to start with the foundations of connection to ourselves and through that have more beautiful, fulfilling relationships. So I've seen how this applies friends, family, lovers, intimacy in general. It's a really wide range of benefits and I'm really appreciating that. I would say that's totally natural to have fear around this, and vulnerability is inherent in doing this, and that's why it's so juicy and so helpful and so transformational. So great, feel it and come to the intro and check it out and see what it's like for you.